Hey, how's it going? Chuck here, Sound Survival Tactics, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Muay Thai stance, the difference between shoulder width and hips distance, and the importance of the two. So real quick, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for future videos, and we'll get right into it here. So for the Muay Thai stance, you want to start feet parallel, and we'll start with shoulder width apart. So when I say shoulder width, I'm talking about the inside of your shoulders, not the outside. If you go to the outside of your shoulders, you're going to be too far apart here. All right, you want to be nice inside of your shoulders. Take a small step forward with your left foot. If your right hand is your power hand, it's going to be your right leg that is going to be in the rear. So left foot forward, small step, about half a step. You want your toes of your rear leg aligned with your heel. That's a nice visual to have. And then also with that rear leg, you're going to turn it out about 45 degrees. And then also turn your body just a little bit here. You want to be straight up, you want to be off just a little bit. Okay. Why the rear foot at 45? This is because for the cross punch, okay, the power not only is in the rotation of the hip there, but it's also with this driving force of your calf muscle there. Allows you to put that extra power into the punch on the cross. See that? From here, because you're stepping with the punch, driving with that, with the rotation of the hip, also driving with that calf muscle back. So that's the importance of 45 on the rear leg. And this is the Muay Thai stance, shoulder width. Now for kicking, you want to have your feet hips width here. Why the change? Because for being able to kick utilizing both legs, if you're in the shoulder width boxing stance here, you're able to kick off the rear. However, you're not able to kick off that front leg. Okay, this is really difficult to pull off. So if you bring your rear leg underneath your hip, now you can kick off that front leg. And this also allows you to switch and have your front leg now become your base leg, and you can kick off that rear, and you have a greater range. Not only with that rear kick, but also you have a greater range with your front kick now. Right? And then just to go back to the boxing, out back to shoulder. Hip kicking, all right? Back to shoulder, boxing. All right, and that's simple. That's simple. So for the boxing, you want to be boxing and the kicking for this Muay Thai stance. You also want to be up on the balls of your feet and your toes a little bit, which gives you good mobility. You know, you kind of bend at the knees here. You move around, back, change between the two. Get a good feel for it. Practice it. Let me know how it goes. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Share it out. Hit the subscribe button for future videos. Take care, and we will see you soon.